Alright, today I'm taking a look at the Dewalt DCF899M1. Manual, got charger. This one comes with a 4 amp hour battery. Lasts a long time. And we got the big boy right here. That is a beautiful thing. They even put the Made in the USA logo on top. That's kind of cool. But yeah, this it's heavy. This is heavy. This is a last resort tool. This thing has 1,200 foot-pounds. And it is an absolute monster. It is so heavy, I would definitely not want to be running this thing all day. It's just huge. But if you need to remove a bolt that doesn't want to move, this is the tool you need. It has a speed selector, 3, 2, and 1. Here's 1. Nice and slow. 2. And 3. Got a nice light on the front, and we got a charge indicator on the back. So this one arrived with 1 bar. Not a big deal, we're supposed to charge it before we use it anyway.